Welcome to Module 10. In this module, we're going to discuss the purple bar setup. So let's go through the background. The purple bar strategy is another strategy. It is a new trend strategy. That means it does not go through and cover counter trend. It does not do trend continuation at all. It's specifically for a new trend strategy. The indicator automatically does not show you the purple bar. So if you do want to enable this strategy, you have to go into the configuration, go to the input section and turn on show purple. Once you do, it will show you the purple bars. If you look at the trading plan, this is the same trading plan as the TNT, the high ideal trend strategy, where you have to make sure you have a shade and V trend to take these opportunities here. Let's look at an example here. Here's a purple bar strategy here. On the entry bar, you need to make sure that it has the correct V trend and a shade. If it doesn't, you can't enter at all. It doesn't matter on the purple bar. On this strategy, it matters at the entry. So on the entry, you had everything. It got validated. It went down. This is a great trade here. Got to the target, passed it, and so forth. So you got out right there. There was no TNTs or orange bars to adjust the stop in this trade at all. The second example is over here. This is a perfect example where the purple bar did not have anything on it. Didn't have the correct V trend. It didn't have the correct shade. It didn't have anything. On entry, the shade and the V trend was aligned, so you could enter this trade here where it entered right there. You enter, got validated, went down all the way down to here, and it was a successful trade. Okay, here's not a successful trade here. This is a purple bar here. It entered, it was profitable on the first bar. The second bar here, you could see it was not profitable at all. So this was a trade that you had to exit for a loss. There are some optimization techniques you could do on this, which is using vIMTF concepts of the beginning of the week, the beginning of the bar and middle of the bar and end of the bar concepts and so forth to make sure that you didn't take a loss on this one. But in raw form, in the worst case scenario, when not applying any other techniques, this is a loss. That was a winning trade. This now concludes Module 10, where we discussed the purple bar strategy. Remember, for the purple bar strategy on entry, you want to make sure it has the shade and V trend correct in order for you to take that trade. The trading plan is the same as the yellow bar strategy, same as the TNT ideal strategy, and so forth. So it's not hard to implement.